Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best heavy-duty sewing machine from Singer, the Singer Heavy Duty 4432. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or somewhere in between, this machine is built to impress. Let's get right into it. At first glance, the 4432 doesn't try to look flashy. It has a sleek gray design and a solid, no-nonsense build. But don't let the minimalist exterior fool you. Inside, it's powered by a beast of a motor that delivers 60% more power than standard sewing machines. That means whether you're sewing light cotton or thick denim, this machine has the piercing power to get through it smoothly and efficiently. Now, one of the biggest highlights is speed. This model boasts an extra high sewing speed of up to 1,100 stitches per minute. So if you're working on larger projects or doing production sewing, this speed is a game changer. It helps you complete projects faster without sacrificing quality. Let's talk stitch applications. The 4432 comes with 110 stitch applications and 32 bolt-in stitches. This includes essential, decorative, stretch, and a one-step buttonhole stitch. The buttonhole feature is automatic and sized exactly to your button, thanks to its buttonhole foot. It's easy, consistent, and takes the guesswork out of the process. The top drop-in bobbin is another win. It's jam-proof and comes with a clear view cover, so you always know how much thread is left. That small feature alone saves you from a lot of surprises mid-project. Plus, winding and inserting the bobbin is smooth and intuitive. The full metal frame adds to the durability of the 4432. This isn't a machine that's going to wobble or slide around while you're working. It stays put, even during high-speed stitching. That makes it ideal for precision sewing, especially on challenging materials like leather or canvas. Another handy feature is the reverse stitch lever. Located right in front, it lets you reinforce your stitches with just a quick tap, crucial for securing seams, especially in high-stress areas of a garment or accessory. Included with the machine are 4 presser feet, and that's enough to handle most everyday sewing needs. But if you're someone who likes to experiment, you can always upgrade with additional compatible feet from Singer. In terms of convenience, it features a bright LED light that keeps your workspace well lit. And for new users or anyone needing support, the free Singer Creative Aid app is a helpful resource. Enter your model number in the app and get instant access to tutorials, manuals, tips, and accessory guides right from your phone or tablet. Let's not forget portability. Weighing around 14.6 pounds, it's sturdy but still manageable to carry or store, especially if you add a carrying case to your bundle. It's fast, powerful, reliable, and versatile. That's why we at Product Critique call it the best heavy-duty sewing machine from Singer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more no-nonsense product breakdowns. See you in the next one.